This video tutorial explains how to use GHC to create the timetable of the assessment board meetings. You can use your timetable created with GHC to obtain easily and automatically the assessment board meetings of each group of students. Starting with the configuration of your timetable open on the planner and using the command File, Generate Assessment Board Meetings, you will obtain a new file that will contain a single class unit for each group. All teachers who teach a class unit to this group will belong to the class unit. If you have a resolved timetable, you can also open it on the planner, and thus use the command indicated above. Watch the video tutorial about projecting a result on the planner for more details. Once you have generated the new configuration file for the assessment board meetings, you can modify it to create the timetable of the meetings. First of all, you can modify the intervals of the original timetable so that they will be adapted to the necessary ones for the meetings. In addition, you can limit the days of the week and the periods in which you want them. For example, in this timetable, the frame is modified to have 5 time intervals, starting at 9 AM, with a duration of 50 minutes and 10 minutes break between each of them. The engine will seek to fit the class units so that they do not coincide at the same time with those linked to the same teacher. This way, the teacher will be able to attend all their respective meetings. You can check experimentally, using the engine, whether it is possible to hold all the meetings in the positions that you have previously selected. You can restrict or expand these positions, depending on whether the engine can fit every session. If you want to fit the assessment board meetings in 4 days, but on Friday, it is automatically verified that the engine still finds a solution. However, if you try to fit all meetings in 3 days, the engine will not find a solution. This is due to the large number of groups existing in the timetable, 53, and also due to the fact that the teachers have too many different groups. Therefore, the assessment board meetings will be closely related, and so many of them will not be able to be simultaneous. Attendance to all assessment board meetings by those teachers who teach small subjects to almost every group of students, for example physical education or religion teachers, may force that board meetings are extended over more days, as they will need to attend almost every single one. Using the templates associated with each class unit or with each teacher, you can also prefix or limit their available positions. Optionally, you can assign the spaces that will be used for the assessment board meetings. For example, you can indicate that the board meetings for 2 groups within the same grade are consecutive. You can use the GHC engine optimizer so that the meetings assigned to each teacher are as compact as possible. To do this, you can penalize unoccupied positions or exceed a maximum permanence. Another possibility for optimizing the timetable is to minimize the number of days occupied. In this way, the teachers will have all their assessment board meetings in a single day, as long as it is possible. In this sense, you could force a number of days off for certain teachers. Thank you for your attention.